Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Conversation. Today we're doing Cup of Body. Yes, body. I have skill issues. No, I tried looking around. I think it doesn't do anything by itself. I think I have to mix it with another word to do it. The taste is unsettling, familiar yet alien, like drinking the shape of my own skin. Am I expanding? No, I'm shifting, twisting, becoming something else entirely. I want to scream, but the sound comes out wrong. And my theory is correct. I think it has to do with horror, body, and horror, which kind of makes sense because that's kind of the genre in this game. But that we're gonna cover for another time. But anyways, this is the Cup of Body. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.